Hi guys, as you can see, I'm back on YouTube. Yeah, the truth is that I wanted to go back a lot, but I could not find the time to record, edit, etc. And I will be improving the quality of the videos for sure, don't worry. Today I wanted to show you a project that I have been doing since the beginning of the year, and it is my mixed media work in my planner Filofax, which is a German brand, and you have all the details in my blog as well as the previous pages I've done. My Filofax is weekly, and I was looking for a loose sheets system to work with my mixed media style. Here I have the leaves of the month of July, so let's get started. I'm using stickers from La Dolce Vita Studio, which is an illustrator from Taiwan that I love. Here I'm looking at the combinations I have with the Pepin's letter papers, because I like the contrast of the vintage style of the papers with these stickers. In the end, I choose one of the envelopes, so I am going to show you how we are going to make the embellishments that will go with the sticker. In the end, I have decided an horizontal composition. Now I am using a 3.5 centimeters Friskas hole punch. And while I am working, I am telling you that I am trying to record weekly, but actually I am seeing what is my viability. But in any case, I am super happy to be with you again, guys. The social networks in which you can find me are basically my blog and Instagram. I leave the links in the information box below. I am making the base for the sticker with the paper and washi tape and the tape that is used to paint, and I use normal bar glue. In the end, the composition seemed to me very loaded, so I used one of my envelopes from my collection with a neutral color. The punch does not work very well with this paper. It usually happens, but it doesn't matter because we can fix it with the scissors. I'm going to give some texture to the background using one of the background stamps that I have. Now I use a piece of packaging, since I do not have the Distress ink blenders, but any sponge will do to create like a frame to the page. Now some splatters with China's ink, since I felt that there was a lack of contrast to the page. Now I look for the title of the page. I usually use books and magazines, which are very good for me because they have like different types of letters. And I am inspired by what I feel at that moment. Actually, it's like an art journal page, but since the paper is fine, I do not use acrylic paints, but stickers, washi tapes, stamps, paper. Now I am giving texture to the circles with the washi tape and the tape. well, that's all for today. I hope you like it. I wait for your comments and welcome back to my channel. I hope you use your planner too or any other substrate that you want. And thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao.
Bueno,